Yeah, it's your boy, Lil June. Got my sis Lee on the track, feel me? Yeah, check it. I can be your special playmate. You can be my tender baby. I can be your special playmate. You can be my tender baby.
I wanna tell him that I love him, that I'm really digging the special way he thuggin'. I wanna show him how I feel, and get inside his heart and make him feel this love is real. I wanna give him the world and have him take me to a movie and show me off to the rest of the boys. Let him know that I'm his only toy. See, baby daddy, I'm a real fly classy. Mama only girl to never make it past me. Gigging hard is nothing but an option. Don't be alarmed, cause I come with special caution. Take your time and look me up and down now. Get a little closer, tell me how you feel my body now. I can show you the tender side of my sweat. Have you feeling mighty hard to be my man?
I can be your special playmate. You can be my tender baby. I can be your special playmate. You can be my tender baby. Yeah, what's good? What's the deal with your girl? I was wondering if I could come and chill with your girl. A lot of haters, but baby, let them hate. I'm a young stunner, you can be my playmate. Hey. I'm a star-born girl, you're my jazz, I'm Aladdin, I can show you the world. Chillin' on the beach with your feet in the sand. Call you Lois Lane, girl, cause I'm your Superman. Hey. Cause I can be a man, kick it with your boy, girl, on tropical lands. On a mission for love, playmate, I can give you unconditional love, yeah. And when that time comes around, I'ma be the one that's gonna hold you down. What's a player to do? I wanna be your playmate too, baby girl. I can be your special playmate. You can be my tender baby. I can be your special playmate. You can be my tender baby.
Baby boy, I can see it in your eyes, cause you know I like it type of style.
Girl, what's good with tonight? Me and you, girl, let's go take a ride.